Today I'm excited to show you how Data Factory empowers enterprise-grade orchestration and multi-cloud data distribution, built on the richness of Fabric's connectivity platform. With CopyJob, you can move data at a petabyte scale and simplify integration with built-in batch and incremental copy, including change data capture replication patterns. And you can connect to both on-premises and cloud sources with network security compliant access to your secured resources. Let me show you how CopyJob makes this possible. First, I'll use CopyJob to ingest raw files from AWS S3. I select S3 as my source and connect using an on-premises gateway, so even behind a firewall, secure access is seamless. With just a few clicks, CopyJob moves these files directly into OneLake as a one-time load. Notice how easy it is for CopyJob to move large volumes of data across clouds. Next, I'll use CopyJob again to bring in reference tables from Azure SQL Database into Fabric. Here I'm authenticating with the service principal stored in Azure Key Vault, keeping credentials secure. CopyJob lets me configure table and column mapping, choose append to preserve existing data, and enable incremental copy so only changes are moved after the initial load. Now, after completing my analysis in Fabric, I want to distribute results to my clients on another cloud. With CopyJob, I select my gold data from the Lakehouse and choose Snowflake as the destination, connected privately through a VNet gateway. CopyJob automatically tracks, inserts, updates, and deletes using Change Data Feed, and replicates data to Snowflake on a configurable schedule. Now I can make changes in Lakehouse, rerun CopyJob, and those updates sync seamlessly, boosting efficiency and reducing load on the source system. With CopyJob, you're never locked into a single cloud. Whether it's Azure, AWS, or Snowflake, you can move and distribute data at a petabyte scale, powered by the richness of Fabric's connectivity platform. With secure, network-compliant access, you can confidently connect to both on-premises and cloud sources, ensuring your protected data stays secure. Thank you for watching the demo.